How's it going, guys? So today we're heading up to Duncan. She's doing stuff on the laptop, and Luke is behind us letting his car warm up. But today we're gonna go fix our Honda, finally, hopefully, and do an oil change on Luke's car. So I'll check in with you guys when we get up there. His bumper is touching the ground. Alright, so the issue we're having with the car is this fucking connector is just done for. Even Luke was like, what the fuck did you do?
Yeah, it's a mangled bit of goodness, as you can see. So pretty much what we've done is just trace the wire down from, right here, which it goes underneath the air intake right here, comes around this bracket that holds it in place. And you can kind of see the mounting spot for it right here. If you look down in there where my finger is, right there. That's the bolt, not this one, but that one down there. So pretty much what we're gonna do is we're gonna completely take that out and we're gonna replace it. We're gonna have that all completely redone.
The other minor things we're probably gonna end up doing to the car too is we might do sparks depending on how bad they are, oil change, and just general tune-up, because I've owned this car for what, 2 weeks now?
A little bit more than that, I'd say
just over 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And I've done no maintenance to it. I literally drove for 3-4 days and then it decided to go clink. So we just got minor stuff to do. Alright, since my battery terminal doesn't work, we're gonna try to jump in the car so I can get it started and move it out of my way. And get it somewhere we can actually work on it. Someone wanna rev the Mazda up? We're jumping in with my dad's truck. She's running! Wow, I left her parked with just under half tank. So we took the battery out. We're also going to change out the headlights today. I got LEDs for it. And Luke is currently losing my tools.
No, I'm not. Shut up.
He's gonna get proper stuff to pull off this hose here, and then we'll pull out the ground cable, and then we're gonna pop these out quickly and check the spark plugs, see if we need to get new plugs or not, and go from there.
Where's the car when you need him? Jesus Christ, I'm hungry. Oh my gosh, this is frustrating as hell. I need a bend. Fucking hold anything. Yeah, I put butter on them. I got butterfingers. Talk about a pain in the ass. We didn't got butterfingers this morning. Hold up! Come on! Pull the airbox! Not the airbox, the normal airbox. Hey, the other needs to fuck off. It's really not in his job today. Not one come off. Oh, it has that stupid clip in it. I got it! Got it? Yeah. Yeah, yeet! Oh, wow. Talk about genius bolt locations. Look at that angle. And I guess we have to mount it the same way we put the new scrounge in, aren't we? Probably. Maybe not. Because it's my aftermarket wire.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, wow. That looks so perfect. I had someone tell me I could just cut the end of this off, put a new connector on it. But like, Get a new cable. So much easier.
So much easier.
I think I'm going to get a thicker gauge ground too, because I'm planning on putting a sound system in this thing.
On the side of the engine.
So we got our plugs out, and they're looking a little toasty. So we're going to go pick up new plugs as well, and new air filter. Coil packs seem fine. I'm not going to bother changing them. Also, they're just expensive to change. I'm not down for that today. I think the coolant looks relatively good. I don't really feel like doing a coolant flush today. Ooh. Yeah, it's good.
I think it's just a little bit hot.
And yeah, so we're gonna go get some parts. And we're also gonna pick up a piece of wood for the trunk, because there is no trunk liner in there. Alright, so we're loaded up. We got the trailer behind us full of crap. We gotta dump it for Mom. And we are off to go get parts for the car. Yeah, look at that air filter. It's disgusting. Luca had to run back to Vic quickly to go get a few more parts and things he forgot, but he'll be back up shortly. And we're gonna go pick up more parts and hopefully get everything done today, because I need my car. I go back to work on Friday, so. Alright, so we finally got back from our little shopping spree. About $300 later, and we got basically everything to get the Honda back running properly and change this car's oil. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna change out these plugs. Take the coil packs out.
Don't look that bad. Fun. Place them. And kind of ran out of money as it was.
Inside the cylinder actually doesn't look that bad. I don't know if you can see in there very well. So if you look at the plug on your right, it's destroyed. If you look at the plug on the left, that's the new one. Hence why we're changing out the plugs. So we got the new sparks in, coil packs tightened down, coil packs plugged in. Now we're gonna try and run our new ground cable, which, if you notice, is a lot thicker than the old one. Try and hook this up down there, and then I'll route it up the same way.
I don't want to just stand there filming.
Alright, so we got the ground cable up. I put a mount up there just from where it used to mount. There's the new one. First gotta put the new air filter in. And then I'm gonna put the new LED headlights in, because I'm not a fan of halogens personally. Original bulb. HID LEDs going in. Alright, so Brit finished putting the air box in. I got the new LED HIDs installed in there. And the other headlight down here is kind of a pain to get to. We'll get it eventually. Now I'm gonna throw the battery back in, try and fire it up. We'll jack it up, swap the oil on it. Same with Luca. Luca's got an oil change to do today.
What? Oh, we're not doing drugs.
Got the car started now. Didn't have to jump it this time because the new ground worked. And we got the new headlights in. They look way better. They're bright. And Brit's just washing the front of Luca's car so she can put headlight cleaner on it, clean his headlights, and then she'll do the same to this car. So now I'm just letting it warm up. I'll get it jacked up and I'll drain the oil out of it, change the oil. Just as a comparison so you see the before and after. His headlights are kind of faded right now. And they will look way better when they're done. By the way, this man needs to wash his fucking car. Like, my god. Alright, so I got the car jacked up here. The oil pan's right here. Drain plug's right there. So I'm just gonna crack the bolt. So I got all the delicious oil drained out. Now time for the oil filter. Alright, well I guess it's round 2 to Lord Coat, because my drain plug is fucked. Alright, finally got the new drain plug. Let's try and get this all back together in the car so we can fill it up. Alright, so if you're looking for the oil filter, it goes way up on the back side there. Alright, so it started getting hard filming. It's pitch black out now. But there's the fog lights. They're on. They kind of stay running at all times though, so I'm kind of bargaining my chances getting pulled over at the moment.